Yeah, so the judge ruled a stay in the court case today, October the 16th, 2025. We was in court till about 1 o'clock. The judge ruled a stay, which means it's not basically postponed, on hold until January the 9th, 2026. So, for gig work, specifically October to like mid-January is the busiest time of the year for gig type work, which we fall under. So I would say between now and then, man, get your money, get your skill right. In the event that whatever happens, whether Empower is good to go, whether Empower is not good to go, you have options in January. You know what I'm saying? If you could take some time, there's lots of free courses online. Udemy, UDEMY, YouTube. YouTube is the best. YouTube has so many free college courses, certifications. I couldn't get that word out. I'm tired, man. That espresso I had this morning, it worn out, bro. Like, I'm tired sitting in court listening to that legal jargon. That shit is exhausting. I'm tired. I'm back up in Northwest DC. So we are good to go. We can pick up, drop off in DC, no problemo. I still don't recommend you going through any police checkpoints. Try to avoid them at all costs. And when you do, or if you do get caught up in one, it's not necessary that you divulge that you are currently working Empower. Just be smart. Use common sense. Don't put yourself in trouble or peril because whatever. Like my dumb ass be doing. The reporters was asking me questions and stuff, and they like, you got commercial car insurance? I said, no. I don't have commercial car insurance. They's like, what'd you do if you get into a crash? I'm gonna tell that passenger that don't say anything about the Empower software because, it ain't got nothing to do between, this ride and all that. You heard me? Like, plus if you say it, like, so car insurance will cancel the claim and potentially the policy if they find out that you're doing for hire work with your vehicle. They want you to have the commercial car insurance. You know what I'm saying? Uber was in the same coinky dink when they started up too, man. Like it ain't new for this type of business model, industry, whatever. So Empower as a company are definitely working on that. As far as maybe a group insurance policy, I was gonna go into the Ray-Ban store. I'm gonna hold off on buying shit. I wanted to get the new Ray-Ban glasses. They got the display on the lens, like you can see it within the joint. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna hold off on buying anything right now. I be spending too much money and shit. My wife gonna kill me. But we are good to go. Stay out there. Let other drivers know. Stay recruiting drivers, man. I don't think this is gonna go anywhere. To be honest with you, if you had to ask me, I think that it's gonna be a victory for Empower. Now we've made some noise. More people have heard of it and kind of understand what we're going through. Let alone all of the passengers that we service. It's well over 100,000 passengers in this area alone in the DMV. So, like, what I'm saying, you got to remember, that's 100,000 votes. You know what I'm saying? Plus us drivers, I'm talking about 110,000 votes or so. You know what I mean? Like, that says a lot, means a lot when it comes to these council people trying to get reelected, the mayor, as such. You know what I mean? Like, it's it wouldn't be fair to get rid of Empower. It's a great model. Commend Mr. Sear for setting up the company and seeing the need. What else? You know, it's a win-win. It's a win-win for the passenger. It's a win-win for the driver. But in all things that you do, you know what, man, just be cautious. You know, make sure that you're on the up and up and stay at it. All right, peace.